Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And I have a couple more boxes to open and share with you. It is take all the fall down, bring all the Christmas decor in. So the house, the office, just everything is in utter chaos. So I found I cleaned off a little corner here of the dining room table. And that's where I'm doing this. So what do I have? I've got a new box. It's a new box for me. I've seen this unboxed a couple times on a beauty influencers channel, and I've always been interested in it, but I've always missed the opportunity to get it. So I saw this, gosh, I wanna say maybe earlier this week, like it got here really quickly here. But I got the Trendmood Box. So it is not a subscription box. It's, a one-time box that they offer it, you buy it. So I know it's beauty. Other than that, I don't really know what else to expect. I've always been very impressed with the items that have came in, the boxes that I've seen. The price, I'm putting it up right here. So that's what I paid for it. So let's just get into it and see what I got here. All right, so it comes very well packed. Let me show you. So it's all bubble wrap on the top. The box looks completely full. Like no room for things to be shipping around or shifting. All right, so let's just start off with this first item right here that's in bubble wrap, all on its own. Oh my goodness, this is so funny. So today is the day after Black Friday. And the item I'm getting ready to unbox, I have seen this item. Oh my gosh, I wanna say, I think I've seen oh my goodness. I got tape on me. I think the founder of this product, I believe I saw like a YouTube video that she did. And she was talking about older skin types. And I have been wanting to buy her product. I've just never pushed the button. So yesterday on Black Friday, she had a deal on her website. And it was kind of like, I think you got 3 different products. So I bought it. That's what so this is like the same brand. I don't think it's the same product, but it's the same brand. And it's Laura Geller. So she's got baked products. And I really like baked makeup products. So let's see, what do we have here? It is Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator. It's in the color Gilded Honey. I am super excited. Let's see here. It says, show your radiant side. It's an innovative ultra creamy highlighter, melts into your skin to deliver a luminous glow that lasts all day. Baked on terracotta tiles for 24 hours. That's what I really liked about her products. So let's see here. What does the color look like? If I can get into it, let me get my scissors here. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, it's pretty. Now it is darker than I thought it was going to be. It's very pretty though. Now I'm just going to use my finger here because I don't have a brush. Oh, wow. There, can you tell? There we go. It's very pretty. So very light. I think this is one of those products, the more that you use, the heavier it could become. We're starting off with extremely happy here, so let's just keep moving. The next is a brush. It's by Tangle Teaser Special Edition. It's a detangling brush. Less breakage for smooth and healthy looking hair, straight and curly. And here's kind of like, if you can see in there what the bristles look like. I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out. Now what but it's a very nice brush. Yeah, Tangle Teaser. Okay, let me set this aside. So we got a Retro Glam palette, Natasha Denona, maybe? Let me see what the colors. Now, if it says retro, All right, are we going the 80s colors? What are retro? What are retro colors? These are not the colors I was expecting, but these are very pretty colors. Look at those. Are those not pretty? Those are very pretty. And there's a protectant up here on the mirror you can pull off. Now, I'm keeping it for myself right now. Normally I give palettes to my niece, but next weekend is our Christmas weekend. We always do twice. We do a weekend twice a year. And we're actually going to Sephora and doing makeovers. And one of them that I want them to concentrate on is my eyes. I want them to teach me some things. So I'm going to save this palette to see if I can use it once I get through that teaching thing. All right, next. It's by Onyx Professional Hard as Hoof Strengthening Nail Cream. Nourishes and conditionings nails and cuticles. Helps stop splits, chips, and cracks. #1 bestseller, Island Coconut Scent. And it says use 3 times a day for longer, stronger nails. It's got 49,000 plus 5-star reviews. All right, so it's woman founded. So to use, it says massage into nail beds, cuticles, and underside of nails 3 times per day or as often as needed. May be used over nail polish. So my nails definitely need help. So let's check this. Now the 3 times per day, I gotta remember that. So I guess in the morning when I get home from work and maybe at evening, it's probably gonna, because once I start working, I'm not gonna remember. So let's see if it smells like a vacation. Oh, it smells like a vacation. It definitely smells like a vacation. It smells very, very good. All right, another product that I am excited about. So I'm definitely glad I got this box. All right, next we got from Trendmood, Eye Mood Revived Hydro Gel Eye Patch. It is formulated with adenosine, caffeine, vegan collagen, and 8 hyaluronic acids, 30 pairs, so 60 pieces. Supports skin elasticity, provides intense nutrition, helps erase puffiness, hydrated and anti-aging properties, smoothing effect on the skin. Experience brighter and smoother eyes with Eye Mood. Another product that I'm excited about and will definitely use. I like that they gave you one of those little scoopers to help get those gels out. Let's check. Oh, smells good. They're lavender. Very gel-like, so they're not going to dry out on you. Liking it. All right. Very happy that I got this box. If I can get the lid back on. Let me just go slow and be patient. Well, it's kind of like you got to find where it starts. There we go. Okay. Moving on. So, from Ceremonia. Well, what is it? So this is what the front looks like. Ceremonia. And the side or back, I don't know what it is. There's stuff all over. Usage, shake well, pre-shower, apply directly to the scalp and massage. Leave on 10 to 15 minutes or overnight. Shampoo and follow with your normal wash routine. Use 1 to 2 times per week. Store in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Okay, and it says hair wellness begins with the scalp, and growth does too. So it's a silicone-free heritage scalp remedy that nourishes and balances to address common scalp concerns like itchiness, dryness, greasy roots while promoting healthy hair growth. Okay. And it said, inspired by the long-cherished oil ritual from the Dominican Republic. Didn't know that. But look how pretty the inside of that box is. All right, let's check the scent. It actually smells like a perfume that I'm familiar with, but I can't place what it is. Yeah, it smells okay. It doesn't smell bad. Smells like a perfume I like. It's got a unique kind of maybe a nuttiness. I like it. I like it. Okay, so I'm gonna definitely use that. We still got more, you guys. I'm assuming the next two things I'm assuming is going with that product because it's also by Sarah Monia. So this one's gonna smell good. Guava shampoo for damaged hair. So it's Color and Damage Protect shampoo. All right, so it's free of silicones, parabens, sulfates, phthalates, artificial colorants, and cruelty-free formula. So it gently cleanses the hair to look shiny and radiant. All right, let's try the scent. I love guava. All right, let me smell. Ooh. Oh, it smells good. It smells good. All right. This box, it's like it knew me. You know, if I can get it back on. All right, and I'm assuming this must be a rinse or a conditioner because it's also a Ceremonia. And it's a guava conditioner for damaged hair. Love it. So Color and Damage Protect conditioner. Pair with the shampoo guava for maximum results. Leave on 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Again, free of silicones, parabens, sulfates, phthalates, artificial colorants, and cruelty-free formula. All right, another cute with the guava. All right, let me smell. Ooh. Oh, that smells so good. It smells really good. Let me tell you, if this product works well, this might be my new product, my new hair product. I don't know, let's see. And we're not done. 2 more items in the box. So the next one is by Beauty Bio, clarifying. It's a clarifying booster, salicylic acid, blemish fighting. All right. Directions: apply directly to skin after cleansing or add to serum or moisture in the AM and PM. It's a clarifying formula. The salicylic acid dives into skin, helping exfoliate. Dives into skin, helping exfoliate to improve the appearance of skin texture and discoloration. And helps reduce excess oiliness and helps brighten overall tone. So this formula turns your favorite serum or moisturizer into a clear skin hero in just seconds. All right, at first I was thinking, okay, this is a niche product, but after reading that, I'm thinking, no, this is a product I can use too. So let me, scissors. I am not familiar with this brand. Have you guys heard of this brand before? Isn't this cute? And well, how do I, okay, so you screw off the bottom and then, oh my goodness, you push from the bottom, be very careful because it comes out very fast. So I want the scent's what I'm wanting to see. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna have a scent. Yeah, I think like the smell, what I am smelling, I think it's just gonna go away. All right, so it's a clarifying booster. And then the last item is also by Beauty Bio. This is a plumping booster with hyaluronic acid. Let's see here. Concentrated formula delivers cushiony, plumper looking skin in seconds. Okay. So it's white mulberry extract. Apply directly to skin after cleansing or add to serum or moisturizer. So I wonder, can you use them both together? That I don't know. I'm gonna have to look up. Do you guys know? Can you use salicylic acid and hyaluronic acid together? I don't know. Plus these things have other ingredients in them too. So take off the bottom. Oh, let me show you. And then very gently, as I put some on my skin, so it's clear. So I don't know if you can use them together, but apparently I'm putting them on the same hand. Yeah. You know, again, this is one of those things, the scent's just gonna kind of go away. So this is 30 mils and this is 30 mils. This is 60 mil and this is 250 mil and shampoo is also 250 mil. Very nice. Now we have some pamphlets in here. So we've got something about the Retro Glam eyeshadow palette. It just features a captivating color story of sage greens, vintage pinks, and neutral nudes. And then we've got the return of the icon, irresistible as gelato, timeless as gold. We couldn't wait to share this with you. Our beloved baked gelato swirl illuminator in gilded honey is back and better than ever. Huh, perfected in Italy on terracotta tiles. Huh. All right, well, you guys, super happy. So as a recap here, we got, sit this on the floor, I guess. All right, so we got the Laura Geller Baked Illuminator. I got the Onyx Professional Hard as Hoof Strengthening Nail Cream. Got the Natasha, is it Denona? Is that right? Eye palette. Got, oops, the Tangle Teaser brush. From Beauty Bio, we got the Clarifying Booster and the Plumping Booster. And then by Ceremonia, we have got the Heritage Scalp Remedy Oil, and then the Color and Damaged Protect Shampoo and Conditioner, the Guava. So, love it. Super happy. This is, I think, one of my most favorite boxes of beauty items in a very, oh, also forgot the Trendmood, the eye gels. So yeah, I think this is one of the most exciting boxes I have received in a long time for beauty. So extremely happy. So hope you guys enjoyed this and take care. Bye everyone.